Not able to go out due to lockdown and have your favorite Chinese food? Well, then this recipe is something which you can make it at home with easily available vegetables and sauces and in a very simple manner. Let's have a look. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Rishiv Street. Today my recipe is Schezwan fried rice, which is fully loaded with veggies and hot sauces. This recipe is surely going to be something which you will be loving it, and even your kids will be thanking you for the same. So do try it for once. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and also share it amongst your friends. Thank you.